Well, I've arrived at Aldi's and they have new things in their Aldi Finds aisle. But they also have some things it looks like that are left over. So here we have Village House candles. You take the roof off and there's a candle in there. And they're little white houses and they're $6.99 each. Here's your holiday novelty candles. They had the white trees, they're all gone, but they do have the pine cones left. And they are the LED novelty holiday candles for $5.89 each. It looks like they have a few of the holiday squishmallows left. They're 12 inches and they are $11.29 each. They still have some of the storage boxes left. These are for ribbons, and they have the ones for ornaments. And down here are the large storage cubes, and these are $9.99 each. There's a few left from last week. I bought one of these last week when I was in for my wreath. They're the wreath storage bags. There's a few left in red and green, and they're $4.99. There's also a few left of the New Year's Eve party kits. They have the gold one, and then they have another one here. Not sure the name of that one, but they are $7.99 each, and they have hats in them and necklaces and blowers, etc. Here's a few little toy sets for the kids. Fisher-Price toy sets. Looks like they have a fishing one and they have a pickleball one, and they're $9.99 each. Here's some sink and drain accessory sets. That's a sink strainer, and this is a drain cleaner, and they're $3.99 each. They have a body fat scale, and it's auto power on and off. Maximum capacity 396 pounds. Memory for people up to 12. And it gives you your body weight, your water content, your muscle mass, and your bone mass. And that is $9.99. Here are Fisher-Price bath time books. They have a few different kind here, and they are $8.99. It looks like they also have the Bluey bath time books. They're all $8.99. They also have bath towels and bath buddy sets. I see Spider-Man. I see Hello Kitty. There's Bluey and Stitch. And it looks like you get the towel and the little buddy to go with the towel, and they're $16.99. Here's a squatting stool, and this is $9.99. It's 13 inches deep by 18.5 inches wide by 8 inches high. You can see what that looks like. There's a place to put your 2 feet up there. Here's Kirkton House. You have a choice. You can either get the toilet brush, they have the waste bin, and they are $12.99 each. These are Pembroke personal weekly or monthly planners, and they have the day-to-day one here. Over here I see a travel planner. They have a few different designs, as you can see up on the box. I think there's 4 different designs, and they are $9.99 each. Here's loofah sets. You have a choice. There's sets of 3 for $3.99, and they have one set which is gray, red, and pink. And they have another set which is, let me see, light blue, green, and red. And they are $3.99. They have 3 packs of Pembroke gel pens. And They are $6.99 for the box with the 3. Here we have tray objects for your coffee bar, and they are $5.99 each. This is adorable. There's a little cup with foam on top that says "Don't spill the beans," and a little coffee jar. And this one says "Hey there, hot stuff," and "Coffee lover." A few things in there, and they're $5.99 for the set. And then when you move next door, they have the coffee bar tiered tray, and that's $9.99. That's very cute. Here they have Pembroke 9-inch laminators. Protect your important documents or photos, and they are $19.99. Here are Pembroke desktop dry erase boards. There's different shapes, and those are $7.99. They have a variety of 2026 premium wall calendars, and they have 3 different designs, but unfortunately they don't have a price on here yet, so I can't give you that. Here are the laminating pouches that I guess go with this laminator. And the pouches are $7.99, and you get 120 pieces in there, and they are 80 by 40 inch. It says they have letter size 5 and 10 of a mixed pack. I can't take these all down, but they are wood acacia trays. They're wood and they're metal, and they look pretty big from here. They're $14.99 each. Some of them have black metal, and some I see in the back have gold metal. Here you have your choice of Croton kitchen assortments, and it's either the paper towel holder, the mug tree, or the utensil holder, and they are $7.99 each. Down the bottom here, they have stoneware canister sets. They're like a off-white color, and they have wood lids, and they are $9.99. It says flour, coffee, and sugar. These are 7 packs of glass coffee mugs, and it looks like they come in either clear, like an amber color. There's green, and the other one looks like black or gray. And those are $3.99 for the 7-pack. And that's what the glass coffee mugs look like. Here are handheld milk frothers and high-powered foam maker for coffee, cappuccino, keto coffee, and hot chocolate. And quick touch button for easy use, easy to clean, double whisk design, and those are $7.99 each. These are electric glass kettles, 1.7 liter capacity, a premium glass body, blue LED illuminated, and boil dry protection. And that's the front of the box. And this is the back of the box where they give you the information. It says auto shut off, secured lid, and 360-degree cordless kettle with corded power base. And those are $19.99 each. Up here are Crofton insulated carafes. They look to me like they're stainless steel, and they are $14.99 each. One is stainless steel, the other one looks like a gray matte color. They're up on top, so it's hard to say. They look quite nice. Here are Crofton glass teapots, and they look to me like they have a stainless strainer. inside them, probably for your loose tea leaves. And those are $9.99 each. They also have decorative laundry hampers. It looks like they have them in black and gray. And they are $14.99 each. And here are decorative laundry baskets. And those are the same color as the laundry hampers. There's a light gray or a black, and they're $9.99 each. Here's memory foam bath rug sets. It looks like they have them in a beige, a seafoam green, and I see blue over there. And it looks like there's the two size rugs and then the one contoured one that goes around the toilet, and they are $12.99 for the set. Here's a compact ceramic heater, and it says fast heating, 3-speed settings, overheat protection, and the cord is approximately 6 feet, and that is $14.99. Here are cushion grip bath mats. Looks like I see tan, white, and a blue, and they are $6.99 each. This is a 3-in-1 fan heater with humidifying function, and that is $34.99. Here they have Kirkton House oversized washable rugs. And you can see they have different designs here and 2 different sizes. The one size is 5x7 and it's $49.99, and the 6x9 is $69.99. Here's vinyl stickers for the kids. They have Stitch, they have Jurassic World, Polar Express, Grinch, looks like the Grinch is gone, and Paw Patrol, Disney. Yeah, most of these are gone, but they are $4.99 each. It says sticker your world. You can put them on water bottles, lunch boxes, tablets, notebooks, and more, and they are reusable. So that makes a nice little gift for $4.99. Most of the Christmas candy and the gift items are pretty much gone, but these packs of 3 tins of the cream-filled wafers, they are $6.99 for the pack of 3. They would make a nice little gift. These are Foodcraft Winter Spice gift pack, and I see inside there it looks like there's a roasted vegetable seasoning, there's turkey rub seasoning, and there's a ham rub seasoning, and then they give you, it looks like a packet of turkey brine on the top, and that's $9.99 for the set. Looks like they got in big jars of fully popping corn, yellow popping corn this week. And those are $3.99 for the jar. I guess they must feel like a lot of people pop popcorn this time of year. Because here we have the popcorn, and over here we have all of the seasonings, the assorted varieties for the popcorns. They are $2.29 a jar. They have white cheddar, nacho, ranch, and butter, it looks like. So there you go, $2.29 if you want to season your popcorn. These are continental cookie assortments, proudly European made. It looks like there's several different varieties in there, and they're by Benton's, and they are $7.99 for the box. Here's Winter Punch, and it's a combination of cranberry, orange, and apple. And those are $2.79 for the bottle. I think that's new this week. They have chocolate chip sliced brioche loaves, and they look delicious. I'm afraid if I bought one, I'd eat the whole thing, but they are $3.99 a loaf. Well, the price of eggs sure went down. For $1.96, you can get a dozen large grade A eggs. $1.96. They have party-size lasagna with meat sauce, 15 grams of protein. Now, it depends on how large of an eater you are. It says this makes about 10 servings per package. I don't know how that would go in my house, but it is $12.99 for the party pack. Well, all good things must come to an end. And my shopping has come to an end. Between doing my own Christmas shopping and the Aldi Finds, I'm pooped. So I want to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas. And who knows, maybe if Santa brings you a little green stuff, you might want to shop after Christmas. So anyway, take care. Love you all. Toodles!